Alright, what's up everybody? It's Jelly with Squid Industries and I'm here with
Yummy Oyster Boy.
Alfie Flips.
and today we're gonna be seeing which one of us is the baddest bitch. We're gonna be putting on these nails and trying to flip. Alright, which one do y'all want?
Well, obviously I want this one, but it has Jelly's name on it, so we have to play rock, paper, scissors.
Twice in a row. I got him twice in a row.
Well, he forgot to turn the mic on, so.
Shut up.
All right.
Now we gotta figure out how to put these on.
All right. Just simple enough. For some reason, I feel like Alfredo's already done this. So why don't you show us how to do this?
I'm just reading.
Oh, there's
the
like extra
instructions.
nails inside
Yeah.
of it too. Hey, it comes
There's
with
a file in here
A lot
too?
of nails.
Holy shit.
Dude, I got the most mid color.
Bro, mine's just straight pink.
That's
Yours at least has glitter on it.
yours are whack. All right, let's see.
That's kind of rude.
Okay, let's read.
I don't
the
think that was
instructions.
necessary, man.
Apply glue to back of artificial nail. Apply glue to natural nail. Align with cuticle. Gently press on.
Bro, these are all different sizes too.
Wait, where's the thumb?
Just pick the fattest one.
Oh,
the thumb.
this is the thumb right here. Okay, okay.
There's only four.
I think
Is
these
it?
You gotta check the ones in the
Small.
back. Yeah, they have bigger ones.
This will fit Jelly's nails perfectly.
Size of these? Long.
God, I don't
You have to like,
well, that's gonna fit.
you have to like file your nails first.
I don't think so.
I think
It
you
doesn't
do,
say
right?
anything. It doesn't say anything.
I think it helps.
Clean nails with polish remover and wash hands thoroughly with soap.
Awesome. We're not gonna do that.
We got alcohol wipes.
Oh, okay.
Nails are sized by number noted underneath nail.
We're just gonna go in.
Bro, there's no number. They're capping.
Okay, we're all gonna do this. and you guys
Oh,
have to vote
it
who
is.
did
It's at the
best.
top.
One eternity later.
We did it. You're last.
I feel fabulous.
Not that one, chill. Come on, Alfredo.
Shelly, you want to glue this one on? Fuck!
Dude, your applicator is really bad.
Alright, we all good? We all fabbed up?
Not bad. All right, looking good. What's
All right.
next, Jelly?
Alright,
The
now.
hot Cheetos, right?
No, yeah. And the flipping challenge.
Ah.
Dude, imagine flipping like with the hot Cheeto dust. Fucking gross. Alright, let's get this table out of the way.
Okay.
Alright, girls. Let's flip the table.
You guys got it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, you ladies got it.
Alright, so we're gonna do a series of tricks. The first trick we're gonna try to do is a choker fan. Whoever can do the most of these tricks is the baddest bitch.
Okay. Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Whenever?
Yeah, whatever.
Alright, go.
Oh, that literally hurts. Ow.
Oh, I got it.
Oh.
I just felt my.
Whatever.
Oh, no, this is gonna be cake. Okay.
Wait, how many you guys done? I thought we were still going.
No, it's
You
just.
want one?
I already did.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
We'll get a limp.
Easy.
Okay, that was easy.
Easy.
Okay.
Where's the thumb?
Giraffe.
Giraffe? Okay.
You get 3 tries.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Alright, Alfredo, you got one more try.
One more?
You got one more try.
Alright.
Is that 2?
You put too much stress on me.
Alright, okay.
I can't do it.
Okay.
Alright. Next one we're gonna do, we should do an aerial to 0 G chat.
Okay.
Oh. Yep. That's about right, yeah.
Come on, I feel
I hate you guys.
Girl.
Demerit.
I did not sign up for this. Can I pick it up? I can pick it up. Yes, I can. Do this.
Okay, short next.
Do short side.
Short side.
Short side.
Okay. Shoot.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
A little extra.
Tease it up a
Little
little bit
extra,
if you want, I guess.
Alright.
And Dan, you zesty.
You know? Y'all ready for the Murnax ladder?
Okay.
Oh, come on, Shelly. This is easy. Murnax ladder again?
Your
It's,
pinky,
uh,
I believe?
Pinky. There. Up there.
Oh, that's our next
Yeah.
letter?
Pinky. We'll just call that good. I
I
did it.
definitely have lost track
Okay.
of this challenge. I think we're all at the back.
This was not fun at all.
Alright,
Call a trick. Oh, oh, oh my god.
It's just freestyle. Okay. Oh, dude, you can literally see it coming up.
Dude, I like feel it like falling as I
Alright,
flip.
what if we do 15-second freestyle judge?
Okay,
like, comp
okay,
style.
okay.
You want to time it?
Put the countdown music on.
We'll do one at a time.
Yeah, and then we'll let the viewers decide.
Okay, I lost already.
Alright, everybody else get out. Recording. Starting 3, 2, 1.
You got stuck in there.
3, 2, 1. Done.
Dang.
Oh! Did you break a nail?
Yeah.
No!
Demerit.
Demerit. Let me show you how it's done.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Slay.
Dude, it looks so fun.
2,
Alright,
1.
chill, boys.
Done.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Oh my god, I hate this. Pick a different one. It's alright, we keep going.
3, 2, 1.
I cut myself. I hate this.
Let's try a Bally Sis combo.
What? Valley,
God.
what?
Bally? Everybody. All of us.
Then back it up, back it up.
Don't gotta tell me twice. I think we just all flip for what, 10 seconds? 10, 15
Oh,
seconds?
we're passing
We're
the
gonna,
line.
no, I should be the one to toss it.
Alright, you
I
want to
can't,
start?
I can't catch for shit.
Anyways.
I like this one's super sharp. Okay, Alfredo, I'll pass it to you. Oh god.
As he says, it's super sharp.
I'll give you a choker fan.
I'll try my
By
best.
handle.
Holy shit, that is the bite handle indeed. I can't do shit from here. There we go. Ready, Andre?
Yeah.
Get a scissor to you.
Bro.
Here.
I don't trust this man.
What? That was a perfect pass.
Give me a double aerial.
Oh, God.
Hey. Perfect.
This is real scary.
Alright.
We did it.
Slang.
Alright. That's all, Queens. Till next time, if you want to get a ballad song and start flipping, then check out the Squid
Don't do it with
Industries
nails.
Yeah, don't do it with nails. Lesson learned, it's really hard. Anyways, yeah, I think we all learned that I'm the baddest bitch because I got all the tricks. Yeah,
I wouldn't
and I
say
kept
that.
all my nails.
That's what.
Yeah.
He's done this.
Yeah.
No, no. Not that I have
He
a
speaks
problem
from
with
experience,
It. Not that I have a problem
honestly.
with it, but it's easier than I thought. Anyways, see y'all next time. Peace.